Salams and welcome. Thank you for joining me in episode number 2 of my latest book release, which is 365 Lessons for the Gen Z. I wish someone had told me this when I was growing up. An ebook is available. Mountains don't grow in meadows, they rise through pressure. So if you're experiencing pressure, don't be stressed out because that pressure is making you stronger and you're going to rise like a mountain. Struggles are not punishments. Struggles refine us. They are polishes. They are not punishes, they polish you. A diamond, you are a diamond. Everybody is a diamond. But society throws mud on us and we forget that we are diamonds. A diamond can only be polished under friction, and you as a human being can only become better through pressure, tests, trials, tribulations, and suffering. Everyone is battling something. Don't envy the smile. Understand the scars behind it. Someone may give a beautiful smile, but we don't see the broken heart or the hidden scars that are behind that smile. The perfect life is an illusion. Filters don't show failure. Pain is your greatest teacher. Sit with the pain, not in it. Pain makes you stronger. Life will throw you to your knees again and again and again. Each time that life knocks you down, it is your job to rise again and again and again. Remember, if life feels heavy, that is because you're carrying something worth lifting. For example, to become a bodybuilder or a champion weightlifter, you challenge and stretch yourself with heavier weights. You don't carry small weights. Every day you increase the weightage, or every week you increase the weightage, right? The weights do not crush you. They simply make you stronger. Arnold Schwarzenegger did not become a world champion by lifting baby weights. He pushed himself to the extremes and he went through tremendous amount of pain to become a world champion. Join me in the next episode as we continue with 365 life lessons for the Gen Z. Stay well, look after yourself. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.